Our project, the Cloudburst Early Warning and Prediction System, is a smart integration of hardware and AI designed to predict and alert against possible cloudburst disasters. The hardware core uses an ESP32 microcontroller connected with multiple IoT sensors, a DTH11 for temperature and humidity, a rain gauge, and a water level sensor for rainfall and surface runoff. A BMP 180 pressure sensor for atmospheric pressure and an anemometer to measure wind speed. These sensors continuously collect real-time weather data and send it via Wi-Fi to a Flask-based cloud server. The software side, powered by Python, Flask, and LSTM deep learning model, analyzes both both the live sensor data and meteorological information from the open weather API. By learning the uh, by learning from historical weather patterns, the AI predict upcoming weather, temperature, and rainfall trends to detect early sign of cloudburst condition. A dynamic web dashboard built using HTML, Bootstrap, and JavaScript displays real-time reading, model training, results, and predictive graph with accuracy and performance metrics. When high risk uh, condition is detected, the system instantly triggers a buzzer and a red LED on the hardware for immediate local warning and simultaneously send an SMS alert to the user's phone for remote notification. In short, our system brings together IoT, sensing, AI prediction, and instant communication, where the sensors are the eyes, AI is the brain, and ESP32 is the bridge, creating a reliable early warning system to save lives and communities from sudden cloudburst disasters. Coming to a flowchart of this prototype, how it will work. A project is an AI-powered cloud-based system designed for real-time, self-sustaining operation in remote areas. We begin with power system, where a solar panel managed by a charge controller and smart power management unit charges a renewable rechargeable battery, ensuring continuous and renewable power. The sensor layer includes temperature and humidity, soil moisture, rainfall, and barometric pressure sensors that constantly monitor atmospheric conditions. These readings are processed by an ESP32 microcontroller which uses GSM Wi-Fi modules to communicate data based on internet availability. If internet is available, the system uploads data to Google Sheet and the Blank Cloud for live remote monitoring. When offline, it relies on an onboard machine learning model, a decision tree, to detect anomalies that indicate potential cloudburst condition. Once an anomaly is detected, the alert module instantly triggers blank app notification, SMS alert, and local alarm like buzzer or LEDs, ensuring both local and remote warnings. In short, our system combines IoT, AI, and solar energy to deliver an autonomous, low cost, and reliable early warning solution for cloudburst prediction, helping save lives and protect community.